Want to look like these guys, but your curls look dry and lifeless? Well, today I'm going to share with you some actually helpful tips that I used myself to transform curls, and trust me, these tricks will help you achieve the most astonishing head-turning curls you've ever had. Whether you have tight coils or loose waves, these techniques will work wonders for your hair. So, turn your glow mode on. The first and the most crucial step is the right and solid hair care routine, adapted specially for curls. Make sure you're using sulfate-free, curl-friendly shampoos and conditioners. Sulfates are the worst enemy of curls. It strips your hair of its natural oils, leaving your curls dry and frizzy. Instead, look for products that are infused with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or argan oil. This will help nourish and hydrate your curls, giving them a healthy, vibrant appearance. When it comes to washing and styling your curls, technique is key. After shampooing and conditioning, make sure to gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel. Never rub or twist your hair, as this can disrupt the curl pattern. Apply a generous amount of a curl-enhancing styling product, such as a cream or serum. Use your fingers to scrunch the product into your hair, encouraging your curls to form and bounce. Finally, let your hair air dry, or use a diffuser attachment on your blow dryer to preserve your curl definition. Once you've got your curls looking their best, you can take them to the next level with hair masks, made especially for curls. Don't spare money for high-quality products made from natural ingredients. Masks deeply nourish your curls, as well as protect from heat. Look for ones containing oils, proteins, and vitamins B and E. This formula will soften your hair and enhance curls. To keep your curls looking astonishing day after day, it's important to protect them from environmental factors that can cause damage and frizz. When sleeping, use a satin or silk pillowcase to prevent friction and preserve your curl pattern. The bonus tip, only for you guys. If you have bedhead, mix some styling product with water, then apply a small amount to your curls. Your hair will look much better. These are your 4 simple and effective tips to help you achieve the most astonishing curls of your life. Keep your curls healthy and hydrated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.